ओम तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे वाग विशुद्धाय धीमहि तन्नो शिव प्रचोदयात्। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। Today's topic is mother's pride or मातृ गौरव। As you all know that my subject is Vedic Jyotish. But to understand Vedic Jyotish properly, common sense and the knowledge of Vedic literature is essential. Now, coming to the topic. First of all, everyone should understand what our Vedic literature say about mothers. In Vedic literature, apart from one's own mother, mothers of her level have also been considered, who can be mainly divided into four categories, mainly family level, social level, global level, and Jyotishya level. These are the four levels. Purvacharya means the Acharya in the past, maybe lakhs of years ago. So Purvacharya considered four kind of mother on family basis. The very first is on mother, father's sister, mother's sister, and elder sister. Acharya Chanakya in his Niti considers the five kind of mothers on social basis. On mother, wife's mother, guru's wife, king's wife, and friend's wife. According to this categorization is according to Acharya Chanakya. According to Vedic scholar Pandit Mahendrapal Arya ji, the Veda describe six kind of mothers on global basis. The first is on mother, second is Paramatma, third is Vedas, fourth is Dharti Mata, fifth is Ganga Mata, Ganga, the river, and the sixth is cow or Gau. They are the six mothers described in Vedas. In Vedic Jyotish, it also mentions seven kinds of mothers. First is on mother, second is Matrukarika, the natural Matrukarika, that is moon or Chandrama. Chara Matrukarika planet, that is decided on the basis of the longitude of the planets. Fourth bhava in the horoscope. All the female who have the status of mother or who have the status equal to mother are signified by Mercury. So in that sense, Mercury is also considered to be equal to mother as a status, in status, Kuladevi. And in daytime, Venus also signifies mother. So, but Vedic Jyotish mentions Venus, from Venus, the bhakti of Durga and Parvati to be judged. And all of you know that in one's family, the Lakshmi is considered to be his wife. and and definitely then his mother becomes his mother represent the role of Parvati, and both of these goddesses they are represented by Venus. So these kind of 7 mothers are according to Vedic Jyotish. So now let us proceed further. It is mentioned in Vedic literature that the one who imparts education for livelihood is Upadhyay, who is respectable, but the pride of Acharya is 10 times more than Upadhyay. The pride of father is 1,000 times more than Upadhyay and 100 times more than Acharya. And the pride of mother is 10 lakh times more than Upadhyay and 1 lakh times more than Acharya and 1,000 times more than the fathers. This is mother's pride. In short, Vedic sages seem to put the one who disrespects mother in the category those without education. Where is education in the one who criticizes mothers? So now I am closing this lecture and I will be back after some time with a new topic. Till then, goodbye. परमात्मा शिव एवं भगवती पार्वती आप सभी को सद्बुद्धि प्रदान करें।